Ciao, welcome to Simple Italian Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy Italian recipe for asparagus bundles wrapped with prosciutto, along with a bunch of other good stuff. So this is great for holidays, so let's go ahead and get started. First, all you need is some asparagus, some prosciutto, and some Romano, and balsamic vinegar, and some extra virgin olive oil. That's it. And you need a baking dish that you can put your asparagus in. So the first step we're going to do is you need to really rinse the asparagus. You just want to make sure that they're clean and give it a good rinse and washing. I like to go ahead and just break off the bottoms of the asparagus. The tough parts you can use a knife, do however you're comfortable doing. And I also just pat dry with using a paper towel the asparagus. Now, mine are very skinny. That just happened to be what the store had, so that's okay. Just use what you can. Next, you're going to take one slice of prosciutto and you're going to grab some of the asparagus. Now, since mine are skinny, I'm going to put about 4 or 5 in there, depending on the size. If these were fatter, regular ones, I would probably just only do 3. So just place it at one end of the prosciutto and try and roll it as tightly as you can. And then just go ahead and set it on one edge of the baking dish or pan. Next, we're going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just kind of drizzling it, just kind of all over the place, letting it fall down the side. What I like to do is I like to take my silicone brush and just spread it, because I really want that olive oil all over the asparagus and the meat. Next, I'm going to take some balsamic and just drizzle it also on top. And you'll notice I'm not using specific measurements. It's just such a flexible recipe. And then I go ahead and spread the balsamic vinegar over it, just like I did with the extra virgin olive oil. If you want specific measurements, check out the links below for my website for the printable version. Next, I just sprinkled the Romano over. Now, over everything, just kind of a light dusting. You don't have to use Romano. You can use Parmesan if that's all you have. But I do like to use Romano. As if you watch this channel a lot, you'll know I use that most of the time. Next, I go ahead and put it into my smart oven, my Breville smart oven. And I'm going to go ahead and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to put it in for about 6 minutes. And I'm just going to let that cook till it is my desired doneness. I like my asparagus a little crunchy, so 6 minutes is just about right. And here it is. I am pulling it out. And you can see it looks delicious, and it really smells amazing with that balsamic. Oh, man. But don't worry, we're going to put it on a new plate when you serve it. Don't serve it on a plate like this because that doesn't look all that appealing. But once you put it on the plates, oh man, talk about impressive. So the way I serve these is I just use it kind of as a side dish for a holiday meal. And everybody gets a bundle, and if they want to, that's fine as well. But I do recommend that you taste test it for the proper doneness. If you want them to be a lot softer, then you would just need to cook it for a few more minutes. Amazingly, these cook really fast. I don't even boil them or anything. And what you end up with are these asparagus wrapped with prosciutto. Absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to share with your friends, and thanks so much for supporting the channel.